మేము 6 గ్యారంటీలు ఎలా అమలు చేస్తున్నామో తెలంగాణకు వచ్చి ప్రజలను అడగండి. సంవత్సరానికి 1800 కోట్ల రైతు భరోసా నిధులు ఇస్తున్నాం. ఒకే ఏడాదిలో 67,173 ప్రభుత్వ ఉద్యోగాలిచ్చాం. కేరళ అసెంబ్లీ ఎన్నికల ప్రచారంలో రేవంత్ రెడ్డి.
People who are discussing or people who are making allegations against Telangana guarantees, I wanted to challenge Mr. Pinarayi Vijaya. Please come. I will organize everything. I will organize a flight. I will organize a team to explain. I will come with you. Otherwise, my manifesto committee chairperson is here, Mr. Sridhar Babu, who is holding now IT and Industries Legislative Affairs Minister. I will ask my minister to accompany with you and your team. Come and see in Telangana how we are implementing our 6 guarantees. We have 21,000 farmers loan. 25,35,000 farmers have got benefit with this 21,000 crores loan wave. Today we are giving Right Bharosa per annum 18,000 crores. I have paid 9,000 crores within 9 days. You come and see my track record. Within 14 months, I have recruited 67,173 government jobs, not in private.